The forest has always been a mystery to me, filled with secrets and fabulous creatures. How else I have grown on Pushkin fairy tales. On seashore far, a green oak towers, and to it with a gold chain bound, a learned cat whiles away the hours by walking slowly round and round. To right he walks and sings a ditty, to left he walks and tells a tale. Forest flowers give me awe and tenderness. They are such fragile creatures. Their lifespan is short, and every touch is an act of love and tenderness. The forest is truly amazing. For many, there are no mysteries in trees and foliage, but for me, all this is a mystery. How the sun breaks through the crowns of trees, covering low-growing shrubs with its rays. Like emerald moss covers the meadows and silvery drops of dew fall on the blades of grass in the morning. How majestic the trees tower above our heads. These trees are not even 100 years old. They are still very young, but for humans, even they are giants. And behind every little hill, I see a fairy tale. You should not hope that the stone will come to life and begin to speak to you, but it lives. And in the world of the subtle plane, takes on completely different forms than we see in matter. I touch the spruce branches. I love to touch every tree in the forest, to be connected. They are so prickly on the one hand, but on the other hand, they are the most pleasant needles that I ever pressed to my chest. Spruce branches in the forest are my secret and inspiration. Their green fluffy fans are like the feathers of forest angels, swaying lightly as they dance under the stars. When I touch them, the needles hug my fingers like the invisible hands of nature, protecting me. And their aroma is a magical spell that attracts me to this forest every time. This is the lush breath of nature that fills me with a world of dreams and miracles. Lying here in this moss-covered clearing, under the overhanging spruce branches, listening to the music of the wind, I hear trees whispering their secrets like old wise fairy tale that have been carried through the centuries. In the forest, I find peace and inner light, and these spruce branches are the key to the magical world that lives inside and around me. Every time I go into the forest, I want to stay there forever. I want to see every day what you see now. This may seem strange, because a person should be drawn to the company of people, but my loneliness warms my soul, because in reality, I am never alone. After all, birds build nests, bees collect nectar, and what can we say about the wind playing in the treetops? This is real music that I wouldn't trade for anything else. Sometimes I remind myself of a fox that is hiding in the thicket of the forest, and maybe someday I will meet my relatives.